Hi friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare fish cone using papadums. And to do that, let's go and start it. And to prepare the cone stuffing, I'll be using a can of tuna. I've already drained the water. This is what's in the water. You get some in the oil, drain it everything, just put it in a bowl separately over here. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, add salt as per taste, a little bit of green finely chopped chilies, add 1 finely chopped onion. Use red onion much better than the white onion. A little bit of coriander chopped again, and now add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now let's mix all this well together. In this, chilies can be optional whether you like to or not. I just prefer to have a little bit, so I used it. There is a pepper as well, just bearing in mind. So make sure if you want to use chilies, it's absolutely up to you. Now add half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or lime if you have. So here our stuffing is ready now. Now let's keep this aside and start preparing with the papadum cones. Now let's take a papadum and cut it into half. So out of 1/2 of the papadum, we'll be preparing this cone. So depends on how many cones that you want to make. You can cut the papadums and keep it aside first. So on a frying pan, I'm going to place this papadum, and using a paper towel, I'm going to keep on tapping it on top. We'll keep on tapping everywhere so that the papadums are very well done. Once you feel the papadums are done, just take the papadum, keep it in your hand and just keep it rolling. Make sure at this time you might find it a little bit hot, but keep on holding in this way. This is how it's going to be. Here I'm going to use gloves now because the truth is it's very hot and my hands are getting burned. So I'm going to use gloves to roll it, because you can only give a mold to this when the papadums are hot. Once it gets cold, it's no point of giving a mold for it. You will not be able to give that shape. So guys, I suggest use gloves. It's very useful. Here you go. I'm molding it and I'm not even feeling anything much hotter than before. Beautiful cone. So papadum cones are ready now. My only suggestion to you is you just do the filling only at the time when you're going to be serving it, or else the papadum might turn out to be soggy. So for first, I'll put a little bit mashed potato inside. And now let's put the fish stuffing. So this is how it's going to be. You can use any stuffing of your choice. I've just shown you the fish cone, alternative way of doing it. You can use anything of your stuffing. So this is how it's going to be. Let's go and start with the other stuffing as well. So friends, if you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.